Hi. Today let's unbox these Xiaomi Mi Body Composition Scale 2, turn them on and test. This scale costs around $50. It features high-precision pressure sensors, dual mode for people and objects. When you install the app, the scales use bioelectrical impedance analysis that will indicate your body position, which will be more or less correct. Of course, the scales cannot be a real doctor, but it is a good indicator that something is wrong and you need to go to your family doctor. If you have any questions or comments about these scales, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, let the background music play and see how I did with these scales.